Hey, it's Donna here from She's Got Legs. For our winter series of Whatcha Wearin Wednesday, we are going to get active. I have on our active leggings. We're doing some activities. Active. So we are going to stay stimulated through these cooler months and keep our nervous system all in check. So join us as we go have some fun. Come on with us. Today we're going bowling. For bowling today, Mel is wearing our comfort tee in a size 1X. She has on our timeless leggings in a curvy, and she has our cardigan over top because we're just running in from the car into the bowling alley. Today, Diane is wearing our red jazzy sweater in a size medium with the buttons down the arm because she's looking glamorous today. We have on our one size Red Blooms legging and our Sherpa vest in the medium, which is perfect for these cooler days and just running in and out. Today I'm wearing our flex jacket in a 1X. I have on our sleeveless comfort tee in a 1X as well. I have on our Forever in Blue Jeans leggings in a size curvy. I brought our sling bag to put my phone and my stuff in for bowling. And I have on our necklace, Anya.